Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by creating a vertical canvas sized to 1080 x 1920 pixels for shorts. This gives a precise 9:16 aspect ratio for mobile viewers. Choose JPG or PNG export and keep file size under 2 MB for YouTube upload. Set color profile to sRGB and resolution to 90 dpi for clear display on phones. Center key subjects inside the middle third to avoid cropping on different devices. Save a Canva copy so you can adjust text and layout later without losing the original. Build a clear visual hierarchy with one dominant subject and a short headline. Position faces or objects in the center third and make them larger than 40% of the thumbnail height. Use bold sans fonts sized between 48 and 120 points for mobile legibility, and keep text to 4 words or fewer. Add a semi-transparent overlay at 75% to improve contrast between background and text. Accent with 2 to 4 colors to guide the eye and reinforce branding. Check alignment using Canva grids and snap to ensure consistent spacing within 10 pixels. Apply subtle sharpening and test the thumbnail at actual phone size for readability. Export a high-quality JPG or PNG and confirm file is under 2 megabytes before uploading. Name the file descriptively and keep consistent branding across your channel for recognition. Finally, upload the image to YouTube Studio and preview how it appears in the mobile shorts shelf before publishing your video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.